recording. Oh my god. This is so annoying. I got my camera on time, but I forgot to press record. You've missed about 30 seconds of this. Oh. We'll probably miss more than 30 seconds. But you should see my legs when I sneeze. They do like this. Oh god. I need something to lean on to keep my camera steady. Just a minute. I have one of these things and I put my knee and I put my elbow on it. Now, people have asked me, do I have allergies? My sneezing is random. When I wake up, I can sneeze. When I'm in the middle of eating my dinner or an evening meal or my breakfast, I can sneeze. I can be sneezing inside, I can be sneezing outside. There's just no reason. Absolutely no reason. I've tried to look at what I eat and when I sneeze. There's just no relationship. It's just totally random. If I drink alcohol, I sneeze. If I don't drink alcohol, I sneeze. If I have sugar, I sneeze. But I don't have sugar very often. And if I don't have sugar, I sneeze as well. I don't eat fatty food very often. But when I do have fatty food, I sneeze. And when I don't have fatty food, I still sneeze. When I'm around pets, I sneeze. And when I'm not around pets, I still sneeze. When I'm tired, I sneeze. If I wake up tired, I sneeze. No, I do. Actually, when I wake up tired, I'm actually physically sick as well. Not only just sneezing. Well, it seems like talking is the cure. Because I've stopped sneezing. Anyway. Good night, friends. I'll keep you posted. I hope I answered a few of your questions anyway. Bye.